Okay, so this is a question before us. Asked to find the length of PQN and the area of the shaded region. Now, when you look at this, it actually makes sense because we know that one property of circles, one of the circle theorem says that when there is the diameter touches any part of the circumference, it forms a 90 degrees on the top here. So we can see that because of this 90 degrees, we are going to get a right angle triangle, okay? So let's just take this right angle triangle out because that's actually where the question is being asked from. Let's take it out. If we're taking it out, let's draw a here like this very quickly. So then now note that the hypotenuse is always where the right angle faces. So when you take a look at the diagram, the angle faces this side. So this becomes the hypotenuse. We have 13 degrees here. Okay, 13 centimeters here. And so we're going to have this place to be, let's say, R, and this side is going to be P. Then this place is going to be Q. Why? Simply because we know that R and P, the length of R and P, that's R and P, is 13 centimeters. That's why we're going to have this. And then we're going to have Q and R to be 12 centimeters. So we are done. Now we are going to find this side. So let's name this side length of PQ. That's the length of PQ. All right. What we are going to do is that we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. It says that the square of the two sides, these two sides, is equal to the square of this side. Okay. So if you are going to use, I'm going to say 12 squared plus the square of this. That's the length of PQ squared should be equal to 13 squared. If we square 12, we're going to get 144. Then we are going to maintain this. The square of 13 gives us 169. Now, grouping of like terms, we are going to have the length of PQ squared to be equal to 169 minus 144. Okay, and I hope you can see. Yes. Sorry that I'm using a pencil. Then we are going to solve this side, and we are going to get 25 centimeters. All right. Now, to take away the square here, we have to use a square root. We introduce a square root to cancel out. And we are going to get the length of PQ to be equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, therefore, this side will be 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Let me add a centimeters to it. 5 centimeters here. All right, we are done. Now, the next question said that we should find the area of this. So this is a shaded region. That's the area of this whole part. Now, what you're just going to do is that you know that the area of a triangle, this is a triangle. So the area of a triangle is given by half times the base times the height. Okay. So we are going to get half. Which side is going to be our base? You know that the base is the down here. This side is going to be the base. So we're going to get 12 centimeters times the height. You can see that the height will be this side. The part that we found. So that's going to be 5 centimeters. So half of 2 can go here. We get 6. So we're going to get 6 times 5, right? Then we multiply and we are going to get 30 centimeters. Sorry, squared. Because you're going to get 6 centimeters here, multiplied by 5 centimeters, 30 centimeters squared. That becomes the final answer for this particular problem. Very simple. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and I will assist you. Thank you.